Hello, so in this video I'm going to test ChatGPT 4 with ladder diagrams. So 1 year has passed since the launch of the ChatGPT, and now some questions arise. So we know that the ChatGPT had a huge impact in society. What you want to show in this video is some GPT-4 capabilities to act as a tutor for learning. In this case, the topic is going to be ladder diagrams. So we are going to use GPT-4 with DALE, and we are going to input some images in the GPT. Sorry, and the first one is this ladder diagram. This is a very simple ladder diagram where we have this contact, normally open contact. B1 is going to connect to set this motor, and then we got another contact P2 who is going to reset the motor. So I'm going to copy this figure to ChatGPT. I'm going to ask, can you please help me reading the following diagram? Okay, and I'm going to input the diagram here. I'm going to submit the question, and okay, this is the answer. As you can see, it recognizes as a ladder logic diagram, and now is the explanation. So B1, you can see here, is an input, and key is the output. So this is the input, and you recognize this as output of the PLC. And okay, you can is showing. You can see here that is showing the simple set reset, latch and latch. Okay, so in this one, we can see it was quite easy for him to understand and explain the diagram. Okay, he says this type of logic is often used to maintain a state in a control system, such as keeping a motor running after a start button is pressed until a stop button is pressed. So in this particular case, it was very easy for GPT to provide a correct answer. Okay, so I'm going now to insert the next example is also a simple example, but in this case we are using a counter here. This is a decremental counter, CTD. So we are going to start with a preset value of 50 when this input is loaded. So this value is set on 50, and then every time that you got a change here, a pulse or in this input, which is in Portuguese in this case, is going to decrement one the counted value. Okay, yeah, and if the counted value is larger than 35, the output is this output is true. So it is an output coil in this case. So I'm going to also to copy this diagram, and okay, I'm going okay. Please do the same with the following example. Okay, please do the same with the following example, and I'm going to insert now the picture, submit it, and is now syncing. So okay, it helped because I have decrementa in Portuguese, which is the translation is more or less decrement in English. So he says that this input is used to trigger a decrement action in a counter. Okay, then load 50. Okay, load. Yeah, he understands that if I press the load, it's going to put 50 in the preset value. He understood that. Also, he could understand that it is not the present value, it's the preset value. This is wrong here. But then CTD, this is likely to be a down counter or countdown. CD represents the countdown input, which will be decremented when triggered. And C is the output. This is not a current value, so this is wrong. Also, this step here, this contact here, is just going to explain it here. A comparison function. So if this condition is true, then the logic flows to the next element. So this is the output coin. The output, which is this one, it means exit or output in English. So it translates also from the Portuguese. It is also correct. So in this case, I think it explains here the rest. Okay. Yeah. So we can say that he could understand the what is going on here with uh, with diagrams. So we can say that with this simple example, I show you with two diagrams that he can really help you to understand, at least not totally, but in a partial with a good success, the ladder diagrams. I'll be doing some more of these tests with short videos for other topics. Okay, thank you for watching.